These are the lightest cordless combis in the 14.4 and in the 18-volt class, the GSB 14.4 2Li Professional and the GSB 18 2Li Professional. With its weight of only 1.5 kilograms, the GSB 18 2Li Professional guarantees you perfect handling and more comfortable working. The new 2-speed planetary gearbox ensures powerful screw driving and drilling applications in wood and metal, and also in masonry with the impact drilling function. You can also work perfectly overhead in tight spaces, thanks to its very short design of only 204 millimeters and the ergonomic handle shape. Experience for yourself the lightest cordless combis in the 14.4 and the 18-volt class, the GSB 18 2Li Professional and the even lighter GSB 14.4 2Li Professional. Now available in the practical, unique L-Box.